Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you a priceless oil. Just a drop of it will erase wrinkles and fine lines from your facial skin naturally, my friends. With very simple ingredients, this magical oil erases wrinkles and fine lines naturally, and it's super nourishing the skin, super effective and super helpful. The first ingredient we need to prepare this magical oil is 1 carrot, and after wash it and clean it very well, we need to shred the carrot like so. After we shred around 2 teaspoons of carrot, we need to place it into a clean mixing bowl like so. Then we need coconut oil and add on it 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. And then we need baby oil, and you're going to find all the ingredients into the description box. Add also 3 teaspoons of baby oil. Mix well all the ingredients and leave it to soak in for 48 hours into the fridge. And then after it soak in completely, take the oil like so and massage the skin with it like that. Apply it on facial, on face, on hands, on any place that you want to remove wrinkles and fine lines naturally, and leave it overnight. This is going to get you rid of facial wrinkles and fine lines naturally, my friends, and it's super effective.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.